In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Yahoo email account quick method. Before you permanently close your Yahoo account, take a moment to prepare so nothing important gets lost. First, cancel any active subscriptions tied to your Yahoo email. Yahoo requires that your account balance is at 0 before deletion, and active subscriptions can block the process. Next, back up anything you want to keep. Save important emails, download attachments you may need later, and export your contacts so you can import them into another email service. It's also smart to update the email address on any accounts that rely on your Yahoo login. Think banking, social media, and subscriptions so you don't get locked out after the deletion. Finally, let the people who need to reach you know about your new email address, so your communications continue smoothly. When you're ready, the quick method happens entirely on the web. Open your browser and go to the Yahoo Account termination page at login.yahoo.com. Account delete user. Sign in with your Yahoo email and password. You may be asked to verify your identity, which is normal. Once you're in, carefully review the terms on the page so you understand what will be removed and what can't be recovered later. When you're comfortable proceeding, select Continue. Delete my account. Yahoo will then ask you to confirm by re-entering your email address. Type it in exactly, and click Yes, terminate this account. That's it. The request is submitted right away. After this, your account deactivates immediately, and a grace period begins. For most regions, it's 30 days, but some regions extend it to 90 or even 180 days. During that window, you can reverse the deletion simply by signing back in. If you're sure you want it gone, avoid signing in on any devices, including phones or email apps that might try to reconnect automatically. For a clean wrap-up, remove any linked sessions from your account settings so there are no stray logins lingering. Once the grace period ends, Yahoo permanently deletes the account and its data, and recovery is no longer possible. Follow these steps, and you'll close your Yahoo account quickly and confidently.